Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Today, I will do some presentation about my best project at Eden. Okay, so this is from before I go to IDN from 7th grade and then until now. And uh, in here in the picture you can see there's some of project of my the best of my project that I picked from 7th grade until 9th grade. Okay, so before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Bagus Satria Utama. You can call me Bagus. I'm from 9th grade class, especially 9A class. And right now, I will presentation to you all about my best project at Eden. Okay, so the first project that is game scratch game project that is the Defender. So this is the game that can there's a tank and then shooting the other tank or the enemy, and then until there is the boss coming, and then if the boss already coming and then you defeat the boss, you can win the game. And then in here I make for the mode too, like there's a mode easy, medium, and there's hard mode. And then from the picture is that is the easy mode. And then now like this picture there's a tank, and then for the red zone that is for the our base. If the enemy go to our base, maybe and then we are lose if so many enemy is go. And then if the mode is harder, later the enemy or tank there's spawn is many. Because that I pick this because this is the I think the best game scratch that I make from 7th grade. And then in here there's a problem too, like when I make the coding, the why is not the ballot is not out, or the maybe the other any enemy tank is not go, or the boss is not spawn, like that lah. So many problem when I making this. Okay, so the next is that is a Dino game. So this is that big box game, but before I'm not making I'm not download about the build box because my build box is error. So I'm making in the scratch, and then this is best too because I make it by myself, and then I searching the asset in the article there. I found that in one article there's a bit.ly, and then I download, and then I search how to make the Dino game Dino game in Scratch. And then there's a crossing road. Okay, so for this is we making by our team. I forgot how the team and then but I for the crossing road I pick this because this is when make this there is so many problem too, but this when playing is for me is fun because yeah, like we must avoid the car if want to crash our player. Like my player before is human or a chicken. I forgot, and then that's is like the name is crossing road. The player is crossing the road, and then later there's a car want to crash our player, and then if crash, that is we defeat or lose. Because that I pick the crossing road in build box games, and that is in a 7th grade project. Okay, so for next, that is UI design. Why UI design? Because I already uh, found my skills in 8th grade. Maybe when I 8th grade, I focus for my UI design because I think this is a good project that can make my skill is grow up. So I make this is like so effort lah. Like in night, uh, I making this in here, but later there's a PJJ, and then I make that's in home, and then uh, I making this in night, in morning, and when there's a time I make it. And next is for the IoT, that is a smart dustbin. Why? Because uh, I think this is a good project because using a sensor and microbit. This is the microbit that's making and the website that is Makot. So there's a coding, and then can detect the sensor, and then open the trash by using I forgot what the name. Later can push the trash, and then make that open, and then automatically close it in 3 seconds or 5. And then for the next is there's a calculator app from Kodular. This is for a 9th grade project that is a calculator. I making this is so like confused because I don't know. This is the first time that I making an application, and then in here there are so many screens that I make in Kodular, like calculator, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, trapeze, and many lah. And then there's calculation too for the application. And then the next is this is maybe the best, that is a Flutter application. This is making by we type the coding like using a Flutter app, and then later this is that I make for the dashboard, and then there is another screen that is like doa screen, zakat screen, zikir screen, jadwal sholat, and video kajian, and that is so wasting our time to making the Flutter app because this is so hard for me because I not understand how to making application like in Flutter using a coding by ourselves, and then there's a teacher later present how to making by copy the teacher. Okay, maybe that's all from me. That I can say. If I have some mistake, I'm sorry. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.